First on our agenda is Section 6A, which concerns the prohibition of certain speeches. This piece of legislation is a tool used to curb speeches that could incite violence or create public disorder. The intention here is clear: to maintain harmony within the community. However, it also raises questions about the boundaries of free speech. Moving on, Section 7 grants authorities the power to prohibit entry in the Punjab of newspapers and other publications. This action can be taken if materials are deemed to jeopardize public safety or morals. It's a measure that underscores the ongoing tension between state security and the free flow of information. Next, we explore Section 8, which empowers officials to secure reports of public meetings. This requirement ensures that authorities are kept informed about the discussions taking place in public forums, potentially serving as a preventive measure against the escalation of disruptive activities. Closely related is Section 8A, which involves the recording of certain speeches. This section is particularly significant in the digital age, where words spread faster than wildfire. By recording speeches, the law attempts to keep a factual record, which can be crucial in legal assessments and maintaining public order. Section 9 deals with the service of orders in writing. This procedural aspect ensures that legal orders are not just given, but are formally documented and communicated. This transparency is vital for accountability and clarity in law enforcement. We then come to Section 10, concerning the power to issue search warrants. This section is a cornerstone of investigative processes, allowing authorities to search premises for evidence under judicial oversight. It's a critical balance of privacy rights and the needs of justice. Section 11 broadens this scope with the general power of search, which allows for more comprehensive search operations by the authorities under specific circumstances, again highlighting the delicate dance between individual rights and collective security. Finally, Section 12 encapsulates the power to give effect to orders. This section ensures that once orders are issued, they are not just suggestions but are enforceable, with the full backing of the law. This is where the theoretical meets the practical, turning legal directives into actions on the ground.